how to buy crypto on Mexc crypto wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Mexc or the Mexc crypto wallet. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now in order to do so, what you can do is you can simply open up the Mexc application, and you want to make sure that you're logged in or signed into your account. Now in my case, I'm not signed in, but the interface is similar, so I'll just be guiding it through. At the bottom of your screen, once you're signed in, you'll get trade option. As you can see there on the screen, you can see home, markets, trade, futures and wallet. You know, simply tap on trade option and you'll be headed to this page. Now in my case, you can see it's showing up Bitcoin here, but what you want to do in order to change a particular crypto or search a particular crypto, you want to tap on a particular crypto name that shows up there with the arrow icon at the left side of the screen that you can see here. You want to tap on it, and then you can see search icon. You want to search for particular crypto. Suppose you want to buy Ethereum, you can type in ETH and you'll get there. You want to tap on it, and now you can enter in the quantity here that you wish to buy, suppose, and then there you can see buy ETH option. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to buy. However, make sure to you add in your payment method or that you fund your wallet before doing so. So this way you can buy crypto on Mexc or Mexc. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.